So if you're not too sure on what to post on social media or how to attract your perfect audience, then this is the video for you. So before you jet off and start creating a ton of new content or generating a ton of new leads into your business, this is a great place to start. So in this video, we're going to talk about a thing called content pillars and how content pillars can really help you define your content and help you generate more targeted leads into your business. So what are content pillars? So people call these many different things like content buckets, content lists, content categories, and obviously the content pillars. But essentially they're all the same thing. They're a specific subject that really defines your business and resonates with your audience. They should be clearly defined, focused around your business, and signal to your audience to what you're all about. So why are content pillars important? Firstly, they make your life a whole lot easier, which we'll explain a little bit later on how to use them as part of your content strategy. So wait until the end of this video to find out how. And secondly, content pillars really help you diversify your content so it never feels repetitive or boring to your audience. Plus, you can touch on all aspects of your business so nothing ever gets left out. And finally, it always gives you something to talk about so you never run out of ideas. So how can you identify them? So start with a general category your business sits at and think about all the different things that you offer. Then think about all the different aspects that are forming your overall subject. So for example, you're a personal trainer and your main focus is health and fitness, but that's a pretty broad brush. There are so many different things that you could be talking about. You could be talking about nutrition, motivation, fat loss, weight gain, and so many more. And of course, you may have different nuances to it, but it's always best to tie in with what you offer. So for example, if you offer nutritional plans, it's important to talk about nutrition in your content. So what I want you to do is, I want you to comment below the main subjects of your business. So in the example, we spoke about you're a personal trainer, and our main subject was health and fitness. So what are yours? Then what I want you to do then is identify 3, 5, or even 6, or as many as you can, different types of content pillars that you could be talking about inside of your business. So go ahead, comment below. So you may be thinking, how many content pillars do I actually need? There are different opinions to this. So some people say have 3 to 6, and some others say create as many as possible. But we're going to take a minimalistic approach to this, which will help keep your content focused, and your online presence seems to be more niched down, arguably helping you target the best people. I tend to say having 6 content pillars is enough to make your content focused. But ultimately the decision is your own and will depend on what your business is all about. So how can we use the content pillars as part of your content strategy? Okay, so let's talk about how you can put those to good use. Now that you have identified your content pillars, your life is about to become a whole lot easier. They're pretty much the gateway to creating content more efficiently and more effectively and consistently in your business. And what you want to do next is lay them out on a piece of paper or on a digital tool. Now think of lots of ideas for your pillars that you could be discussing in your posts. And now that you have all of those different ideas, think about how often you want to post. So let's say for this business, I like to post 6 times per week. I can simply allocate each content pillar to a specific day, and that makes the process a whole lot easier. If you're posting content every day, simply identify 7 different content pillars and your weekly content plan is set. Get your weekly spread in front of you and choose what schedule works for you best. Now you're just one step away from creating a fully fleshed out content calendar. So simply allocate each idea we brainstormed earlier, and just like that, your content planner is ready. This way it helps you create content in advance and free up more time so you can focus on your business. So that's how you can start creating your content pillars. I hope this video helped, and be sure to comment below your content pillar subjects. We'll see you in the next video.